Morning, fellas. After we got a proper repair on our temperature sensor, it's time today to check if we solved the problem or if not. So that means we go now for a little bit diesel on the gasolina and check out if the temperature sensor is sending some temperature or not. So let's connect the battery. Here's a runner. So again, fellas, the engine is running that smooth, I can't believe it. So it's really a blast to have, after the petrol, also a diesel for comparison. But I'm pretty stuck with the diesel engine so far. No. So today she's driving the Beauty.
The Beauty is driving the Beauty.
So let's see if the temperature gauge is moving, hopefully. So let's see if the gauge is moving already. I think it's moving already. So what a blast to being on the drinker side, back drinker side. And it's quite comfy. Look at this. Look how much space I have for my feet and legs. It's really, really comfy. It's just something for the smell. She is operating the beast. Alright, fellas, get some tools which I need for the next project. So this one is very useful. One of my most favorite tools, a good vice grip. Also very important to get some multi-degreasers. Look at this tool. I also use it for brake lines to get the big good angles. It's pretty useful, I would say. So, and we need some chicken chutney. So maybe I go with red. I go with the red. Alright, fellas, that's approval. Temperature gauge is now working. Thumb up. Easy job done. Thanks guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe and share all the footage. See you next time on the 4-wheel drive chat. I appreciate it very much. So stay tuned, fellas.